Good day, Miss. I am Jade Oswalato from BSHM2A. For today's video, I'm going to discuss my answer for the simple interest, compound, and compound interest. Simple interest number 5. I is equals to PRT. I stands for interest, P stands for principal, R stands for rate, and T for time. So I is equals to principal is 225, rate is 6%, and time is 8. So all you need to do is to multiply 225 times 6% times 8 is equals to 108 US dollar. Number 9. I is equals to PRT. Interest equals to principal, rate, and time. So all you need to do is to multiply 646 times 5% times 2 is equals to 64.60 US dollar. Compound number 5. A is the missing. So A is equals to P 1 plus R over N raised to the power of N T. So the value of P is 7,000 US dollar, and for the R is 9%, N is 12, and T for 3. A is equals to 7,000, 1 plus 9% over 12 raised to the power of 12 and 3. So A is equals to 7,000, 1 plus 9% over 12. So first, kay ato siyang i-multiply ang power nga 12 og 3 to get the answer of 36. So A is equals to 7,000, and then we need to divide the 9% over 12 and plus 1 to get the 1.0075 raised to the power of 36. So next, A is equals to 7,000. So we need to multiply 1.0075 raised to the power of 36 is equals to 1.30864537091. So to get the final answer, all we need to do is to multiply 7,000 times 1.30864537091 is equals to A 9,160.52 US dollar. Number 9. P is the missing. So P is equals to A 1 plus R over N and raised to the power of NT. So A is 1,119,656.69 US dollar, and R is 2.9%, N is 2, and T is 28. P is equals to 1,119,656.69 over 1 plus 2.9% divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 and 28. So ang una natong buhaton is solve nato ang sulod sa parentheses. 2.9% divided by 2 is equals to 0.0145, and 2 times 28 is equals to 56. So we have P is equals to 1,119,656.69 over 1 plus 0.0145 raised to the power of 56. So next, atong i-plus ang 1 of 0.0145 then raised to the power of 56. So we have P is equals to 1,119,656.69 over 2.23931,338. So to get the final answer, we need to divide 1,119,656.69 divided by 2.23931,338 is equals to P is equals to 5,000 US dollar.
Compound interest number 5. P is the missing. So P is equals to A over 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT. So P is equals to 10,000 over 1 plus 4.5% divided by 12 raised to the power of 12 and 8. So P is equals to 10,000 over, so i-divide na to ang 4.5% divided by 12 plus 1 is equals to 0.0035, and 12 times 8 is equals to 96. Yung muna na yung power. So P is equals to 10,000 divided by 1.43236465399 is equals to P 6,981.46 US dollar. Number 7. A is the missing. So A is equals to P 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT. So A is equals to 21,000. 1 plus 0 minus 0.05 over 1 raised to the power of 1 and 3. So A is equals to 21,000. So we need to divide 0.05 divided by 1 minus 1 is equals to 0.95. And ang power, 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So 3 ang answer. So A is equals to 21,000. 0.857375 is equals to A equals to 18,004.88 US dollar.